Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Padwal from last year of electrical engineering. There are many visits which are arranged by our department. So one of the visit is the power engineers, which is located at the Gokul Shirgaon. This company deals with the manufacturing and the repairing of the transformer. From this visit, we get more extra information about the transformers.
Hello, I am Shivtej Atharv from final year B.Tech Electrical Engineering. As our department has MOU with MSCB, under which we got a chance to visit Koge substation located in Kolhapur, in which we learn in detail about transformer, transmission line, switch gears, on and all basic electricals from industrial experts or MSCB experts. The whole visit is managed by students that gives a chance to enhance our management skills. I am very grateful to the faculty of Department of Electrical Engineering for arranging such visits and MOUs. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Atharv Sarnaik. As Sahil mentioned, in our institute, the practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge goes hand in hand. As we all know how much the renewable energy is important nowadays. Thanks to electrical department of KIT's college, we got to visit the Asia's biggest windmill project, which is Suzlon, which is situated in Salkewadi, Satara. We learned the theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge, which is bit difficult to learn in books. Thank you.